automatic dependent surveillance broadcast systems installed at 4 air traffic control towers are expected to be fully operational in the next few months. Renetta Lafleur tells us more.
The ADS-B systems were installed by the Guyana Civil Aviation Authority and are aimed at bolstering safety in the aviation sector. Director General GCAA Lieutenant Colonel retired Egbert Field said the authority is awaiting one item for the systems to become fully operational.
One item is holding us back slightly, is securing a static IP address, I'm told by my engineers. So they are actively seeking the assistance of GT&T and also INET to acquire a static IP. This will assist greatly, especially for the ones for the Anai Kiteshore area.
The ADS-B systems will aid the upload and download of information acquired from aircraft to ground stations. Field explained that the systems will also enable the authority to locate aircraft, especially during crashes.
We'll be able to track the aircraft in a better way. This is provided that the aircraft has the complementary transponder for the ADS-B. So within the region of Guyana, the controllers will be able to identify any of the aircraft with the corresponding transponder, the exact locations.
The ADS-B systems installed at Kiteshore, Port Kaituma, Anai, and Camarang are on test currently and are working satisfactorily. Renetta Lafleur for InfoHub.